In this tutorial, the Santos environment's camera controls will be explained. These commands and techniques will allow the user to easily control the Santos viewport. In order to use the Santos environment effectively, a mouse with a middle scroll wheel is needed. 4 interactive camera controls are given. Each are controlled by using the computer mouse while holding the spacebar down. The pan and tilt navigation is turned on by clicking and holding the spacebar while holding and dragging the left mouse click. This allows for the user to have a perspective view of the viewport. The second navigation tool is the truck control. This is turned on by clicking and holding the spacebar while holding and dragging the middle mouse button. The truck tool allows for the viewport to be shifted up, down, left, and right. The third navigation tool is the dolly control. This is turned on by clicking and holding the spacebar while holding and dragging the right mouse click. The dolly control allows the user to bring the camera closer into the viewport. Lastly, the view can be zoomed in and out by holding the spacebar while rolling the middle scroll on the mouse. The camera's center of rotation can be changed by holding down the spacebar and double-clicking the object of interest with the left mouse click. This technique is called the aim control. The aim control allows for the camera to center the object of interest and repositions the camera's point of rotation. In the viewport window, additional options are available for camera controls. 4 of the Santos's most commonly used camera controls are given, each corresponding to their own icon. A house with an arrow on top allows for the users to set the camera's home position. And the house icon next to that allows for the camera to automatically be sent back to this saved position. For example, if the user wants to always return to a specific view, the user can first click the icon with the house and the arrow. Then once the user wants to go back to that position, they simply click on the house button to return to that scene. The third icon of the framed teapot allows for the framing of an object. After the object of interest is selected, the user can click on the icon and the camera will zoom in to frame the selected object. The object can also be selected in the expert pane. And when the framed teapot icon is clicked, the camera will focus on the selected object. Lastly, the eye command allows for the user to see out of a selected avatar's eyes. To do this, select the avatar of interest and click on the eye icon. The view will now be from the avatar's eyes. To stop the eye view, click on the eye icon to turn the option off. These commands are also listed under the View tab in the window bar. The Jump to Camera options are also available under the View tab. This command jumps the camera to 5 directions of view. For example, the top view allows for a bird's eye view of the viewport. Once the direction is viewed, the option is then available in the drop-down camera list. To return to the default view, open the drop-down camera menu and select CS Camera. Our next tutorial will be over object manipulation.